Hi everybody, this is Nikki Golly of Fuel Your Body again, and I wanted to talk about testing. I am an avid tester. I test different things, and before I talk too much about testing, look at one of these tests. Someone told me you could not grow these flowers from seeds, so I'm proving them wrong. And we have one bloom and another about to bloom, and I'm so excited. So I've been testing. This tower garden, I've calculated out, this is a 9-week-old tower garden. This is just over 2 months old. We planted it right after Thanksgiving. So we've had all of December and all of January. And it's kind of taken care of itself. We have to report successes. Besides that flower, I also have successes here. We have blooms. Check this out. I've got peas, and then this one bloomed, and there is actually a tiny snow pea in there. I'm so excited. So, success. That one's been a success. We also have stuck in a celery that we got at the store, and it looks like there's a mineral deposits on the top of it. So that's still in test mode. Not quite sure if it's going to succeed or not. The other one is a sunflower. We intended to do a sunflower sprout, but we didn't need it in time, so it is now, we moved it from the top down here, and it looks like we're actually going to get a sunflower out of the top of it. So stay tuned for that. And another test, some of you saw later in the evening I did a video and I transplanted what was it? Basil. I transplanted basil, and this is a failure. It did not take, I don't think I transferred it fast enough. I've done it one time before, and it was great, but this time it failed. But I'm testing. I'm trying. My question to you was, when is the last time you tried to grow something yourself? Do you have picky eaters? Do you have picky kids that won't eat vegetables? Have you ever had them try to grow them instead of just getting them from the store? I guarantee you're going to have a better response because they're going to try something, see it go from a seed to a beautiful plant, and then they'll be like, we can eat that? Really? Oh my gosh. Whoa. So my question to you is, grow something. When was the last, or actually that's a statement, not a question. Grow something. When was the last time you tried to grow something? I definitely love the tower garden, obviously. I've had it for a bunch of years and talk about it consistently because it takes care of itself. I'm a lazy gardener. But you can have a little pot on your windowsill. Just try to grow something, because do you know where your food's coming from? Do you have any idea who is growing your food and where in the world it's coming from? If you look at some of those stickers on the produce that you get, it says it comes from Chile. Have you ever been to Chile? Do you know how far that is? I went to Peru last year, and it was a long flight. And Chile is farther than Peru. So how fresh is the food that you're getting? Opposed to if you're growing something yourself, I mean, if I pick this and eat it, that is the freshest it can possibly get. And it tastes great. Have you ever had broccoli that you grew yourself? Did you know that it actually tastes sweet? Broccoli that tastes sweet. I would never have known if I didn't try it myself. So what things are you growing? There's all kinds of machines out there to grow. I definitely love the tower garden, and I can definitely show you how to use it yourself. But there's lots and lots of options out there. But growing is so important because you really take care and you really have knowledge of what it takes to grow food. And kids will eat it. Hint, hint, all you moms out there that have super picky children, have them grow something. You'll see some changes, I promise. So, this is a report for Tower Garden. Grow something, anything. Let me know how it goes. Post pictures down below. I'd love to know what contraptions you're growing with or what little pots you have on your windowsill. I would love to see what you're growing. And again, like always, this is Nikki Golly with Fuel Your Body, and take care of yourself. Have an amazing day. Thank you.